My name is Dindi Whitmore, and I'm a Quality Assurance Supervisor for the Fractionation Department here at the Los Angeles Takeda site. I've worked here for a total of 11 years now in a few different departments. A day can range from anything where you're just doing document reviews or deviation write-up reviews, to days where you have to be on the manufacturing floor observing the harvest of a filter press or a centrifuge, where you maybe have to be involved in an audit and you have to escort somebody around the site. So I'm not sure there's a typical day. I think one of the bigger challenges working in quality is confidence in decision making. People come to quality to, get a decision made on how to move forward, on whether or not our products are safe. And so that's a lot of pressure to have on you. It's great to have a team that you can go to and ask them based on their experiences and their points of view to see how you might want to move forward. There's been a lot of opportunities, having worked in so many departments, for me to learn different things here and learn different sides of the same process. And I think that's all served me to be a really well-rounded employee. We also have our Takeda resource groups where I've had the opportunity to learn about different cultures and different celebrations, as well as different struggles that people might have. And so I think those things motivate me, the ability to continue to grow